Knowing when to sell is one of the hardest things in investing, and I always think it's best to pre-commit when you buy to your sell point. And one of the ways you can do this and remind yourself of this is using the alert system on Stockopedia. So if you are again on the Today page, at the top right, you'll see a widget which says alerts. It'll show you any that have triggered, any that are waiting, and a button to create alerts right from the Today page. I want to show you how to do this from a stock report. So let's bring up Games Workshop. And you can see here at the top right on the header, a set alert button. Currently there are none. If we click the button, we get this modal pop-up, which has 4 different types of alerts. You can set a price alert. So for example, if the price falls below the current level, let's set that a little bit higher so that I can show you what might happen. And let's set it. And you can also set stop losses. So for example, if you've just bought a share and if the price falls, let's say 15% below the current price today, you can save that and you'll get a notification when it is triggered. But also there's this great feature of fundamental alerts that I really enjoy, because I like setting alerts for when the stock rank falls below a certain value. One of the rules that I educate around a lot is the 90-70 rule. So buying at 90, selling at 70 or below. And so that's a good point. When you actually do find that a share falls below 70, I'll get an email and I'll get a notification in the app. But one last, you can also set up technical alerts. And I'll just illustrate this with a moving average. So for example, when the price falls below the 200-day moving average, I can get an alert on that too. So that's just a few illustrations. You can set based on all of our fundamental data and a few different elements of technical data. So please do dig around, as it can help make you a much more disciplined investor. You can also get news announcements on that share and also key data alerts too. So anyway, let's close that down now. Now, as you can see, the alert has triggered. We've got a banner on the Games Workshop stock report, but also we have a notification in the bell icon on the top, which we can see on any page on the website. So this shows us that Games Workshop has reached our price trigger, and that's very helpful. Now, one other thing that is that we will send out emails to you that might look a bit like this, which show you that your alert is triggered, and will give you the context of what that alert was. And you can very quickly click straight back into the site to go and manage that, reset it, or anything else. So all of these alerts are very useful. One other thing I wanted to show you is if you are going to do this on a portfolio, here's one we actually set up earlier. And you can use this little cog icon next to each of the rows on the portfolio view and click the cog, and you can set up an alert. So for example, I could do the same thing here for Henry Boot. When the fundamental alert, if the stock rank falls below 70 again, I can get an alert, and that will encourage me to have that sell discipline around that share. So that's really a very lightning tour of this feature. I hope you actually find some great value in it.